Good day. I want to welcome you all to today's tutorial session. I will be assisting you in creating your email accounts in your cPanel portal. Firstly, we have to log into our cPanel. I will enter my credentials and enter the password and log in. Once logged in, I will then navigate to the email section, which is usually what you first see. This is what we're looking for. Under that email section, I will proceed to email accounts. From here, I will see a list of email accounts that have already been created. And on this top right section here, I can see the number of email accounts that have been used and the slots that are available for use. I will then proceed to click create since I want to create a new email account. From here, as you can see, the domain I want to create for is called yourdomain.co.zw. I will then proceed to create a user. I want my user to be called John at yourdomain.co.zw. I will then proceed to enter a password, or I can automatically generate one by the system. So if you generate the password, it would come out like this, but I want to enter my own password that I will be able to remember. So remember, these password strengths need to be above 80% for them to be valid. Once done, I would then proceed to click create. As you can see, success message here, your email account has been created. You can then proceed to access your email account or set up on different devices. Thank you.